Good morning everyone. This video is about tutorial about distance, displacement, speed, and velocity. Speed is defined as the rate of change of position of an object in any direction. Speed is measured as the ratio of distance to the time in which the distance was covered. Problem number 1. What is the speed of a rocket that travels 8,000 meters in 16 seconds? So the formula of speed is speed equals distance divided by time. So the distance is 8,000 meters and the time is 16 seconds. So 8,000 divided by 16, 80 divided by 16 is 5. 5 times 16, 80, 16, 0, 0. So the answer of 8,000 divided by 16 is 5,000 meter per seconds. Problem number 2. A man walks 100 km in 10 hours. Find his speed. The formula in answer this question is same as in number 1. Speed equals distance divided by time. The distance is 100 km divided by 10 hours. So 10 divided by 100 divided by 10 is 1. So the answer is 10 kilometer per hours. Problem number 3. A cyclist covers a distance of 25 miles in 4 hours. Find his speed. So the formula is speed equals distance divided by time. The distance is 25 miles divided by 4 hours. 25 divided by 4 equal 6.25 miles per hour. Velocity. The velocity of an object is the rate of change of its position with respect to a frame of reference and is a function of time. Velocity is a physical vector quantity. Both magnitude and direction are needed to define it. Problem number 1. A bus travels at uniform velocity a distance of 200 meters in 10 seconds. What is the velocity of a bus? The formula of velocity is velocity equals distance divided by time. So the distance is 200 meters divided by 10 seconds. So 200 divided by 10 to 20. So the velocity of a bus is 20 meter per second. Problem number 2. If a sprinter runs 1000 meters in 20 seconds, what is his average velocity? The formula of velocity is velocity equals distance divided by time. So the distance is 1000 meters over the time is 20 seconds. So 1000 divided by 20, 100 divided by 20 is 100. So his average velocity is 50 meter per second. Problem number 3. If a motorcycle travels 5,000 meters in 50 seconds, what is the average velocity of motorcycle? The formula for this is velocity equals distance over time. So the distance is 5,000 meters over 50 seconds. 5,000 divided by 50, 1, 0. So the velocity of a motorcycle is 100 meter per seconds. This is the velocity of a motorcycle that travels 5,000 meters in 50 seconds. What is distance? Distance is a numerical measurement of how far apart objects or points are. In physics of everyday usage, distance may refer to a physical length or an estimation based on other criteria. Sample number 1. A car has covered 2,000 meters in 65 seconds and 2,600 meters in 95 seconds. First question. What is the distance covered? Distance equals 2,000 meters plus 2,600 meters. Distance total 4,600 meters. What is displacement? Displacement is defined to be the change in position of an object. It can be defined mathematically with the following equation. Question letter B. What is the car's displacement? So, car displacement equals 4,600 meters in the same direction. The total car's displacement is 4,600 meters. Question letter C. What is the average speed? The formula of speed is speed equals distance over time. Speed equals the distance is 4,600 meters over 160 seconds, with the speed average is 28.75 meter per second. A car has covered 2,000 meters in 65 seconds and 2,600 meters in 95 seconds. The distance covered of the car is 4,600 meters. The car's displacement is 4,600 meters in the same direction, and the average speed is 28.75 meter per second. Problem number 2. Jason walked 20 km west in 15 hours and 25 kilometers in 20 hours, then back to his original position. So here's the this way. This point is to west and this is east. So the starting point is here. 25 kilometer east. Question letter A. What is the total distance? Distance equals 20 kilometer plus 25 kilometer plus 5 kilometer. So the total distance is 50 kilometer. Question letter B. What is the total displacement? The total displacement is 0. That's because there 20 kilometer west plus 5 kilometer west equals 25 kilometer. So in S there is also 25 kilometers. So with a total of 25 plus 25, 50. That's why in the total displacement is 0. Question letter C. What is the average speed? The formula of speed is speed equals distance divided by time. So distance is 50 kilometer divided by 35 hours. So the speed is 1.42 kilometer per hour. Question letter D. What is the average velocity? The formula of velocity is distance divided by time. Velocity equals the distance in here is, we use the 0 divided by The time is 35 hours, so velocity 0 divided by 35 equals 0. So the average velocity is 0.